We are here in New York City.
New York City?
The city that never sleeps.
Oh my God.
Celebrating our 11-year wedding anniversary.
It's a surprise.
And we are at a brand new hotel that we've never stayed at before.
Yeah, buddy.
We're at a Hilton. We love Hiltons. Like, we stay at Hiltons pretty often, but this is a brand new line of Hilton.
Hilton, talk to us.
Yes, holla at us, Hilton. So we are at the Temple by Hilton in Times Square, New York City. So we figured, why not give them a little room tour? You want to give them a room tour, Ray?
Let's give them a room
It's a pretty
tour.
nice room. Let's give them a little room tour.
This is our room.
This is the room.
So,
Maybe we should
this
start.
hotel is made to be luxurious, yet for the minimalistic person. We are not minimalistic, but this suits our fancy anyways. Come on in. First of all, we're going to see our closet. A very minimalistic closet. Shelving unit up here. Rack right here to hang your clothes. Plenty of hangers. And guess what this is, y'all?
What is that?
This is a iron or a steamer. I ain't took it down yet.
Okay.
I like this bag. I want this bag for myself. You know,
I bet you do.
Can we take this bag myself?
No,
Probably not.
we cannot
Anyway,
take that bag.
so this is the closet area, storage, chest right here.
Yeah, just to reiterate, this is a closet
wait,
area.
That's not a storage.
It's not an enclosed closet. It is a closet area. So keep that in mind. It's not enclosed.
That's not a storage. That would be a safe.
Oh, that is a safe.
Now we have this luxurious bed setup. They have these very modern lamps. So you have, let's move this back over here.
There's not very much space to like store suitcases,
Right.
y'all. Just
So-
keep that in mind.
So they have these lamps. There's two lamps. There's two switches for the lamps. There's one here and there's one there. So we got the plug here, USB, and a USB-C here,
And a regular plug.
and a regular plug.
Okay.
And then these operate the lights in the room. All these buttons here.
Okay.
So as we move on around,
So that doesn't just operate the lights in the room, it also operates the drapes. And we will show you how those work in just a few minutes.
yep. So we have a working desk here, a modern leather chair. This is nice.
This is nice.
Do we got room for this in the luggage?
No, I don't think
Probably
so.
not. Okay. That's
Probably not.
very modern desk here. Light, a big old mirror.
This is a nice
Huge
size mirror.
That is a nice size mirror. That's leather.
And I like those leather straps.
Yeah.
Too. That's really
Very modern.
I like the way things
modern
are
chic.
decorated in here. That is really nice.
We have a refrigerator here to store your stuff in.
It actually looks like
A little
it looks
storage.
more like a wine cooler than a
It does. That's
refrigerator.
why I thought it was at first.
Yeah.
But then there's a rack right here. You open it up.
Let there be lights.
Yep.
So you got an espresso machine here too.
Yep. Got a storage unit right here.
Storage drawer.
Nespresso. Not espresso. That's Nespresso.
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 With a couple little Nespresso. Do they call them K-cups?
I don't know.
Do Nespresso machines call them K-cups too?
I don't know. But this right here, y'all, is our TV.
It is a nice size TV. I think
Very
it's
nice
a
TV.
65 inch, I think is what it said in the brochure.
This is the remotes. The remote
Sanitized
comes, it
device.
even has room control. I haven't tried it yet, but you can operate the room. You can hit it. And you know, I'm gonna leave it on that. I like that. But you can operate
like the
TV,
artwork.
Netflix, Showtime, all kind of stuff. Have a seating bench here that you can sit down on if you want to relax yourself.
He's not sitting on the seating bench though. Seating bench is over here.
Right, that's what I'm saying, yeah. Seating bench here. You want to get your relax on for a few minutes before you get to bed. You want to store stuff. If it's a couple of people in the room, store stuff right here. Again, this is our bed. On this side, same thing as on that side. All the switches and plugs that you would need essentially.
Look how nice that leather headboard is, right? That is real nice. Do it feel like real leather? Ooh, this is nice. Where you going? Oh yeah, what's this over here?
You can take care of your heating here, eating air. Right now I got it on 73. Kiki said turn it down because it's hot. She all hot by herself, meaning spicy hot. And then here comes a magical moment.
Check this out, y'all. Yes, sir. This is the view from our room. That is Times Square. This is a city view room. King city view room to be exact. That is Times Square. I'm gonna turn off some of these background lights just so you can get the feel for Times Square. This is the view of Times Square from this room. That's literally Times Square down there on the ground. So nice. Everything is lit up like New York City life. Some tall skyscrapers all around us. Way back over there, I don't know if you can see it on here, but there is a Ferris wheel. I wonder if that's Coney Island right there. All right, so now why don't we take a look at the bathroom, Ray? You want to show everybody the bathroom?
I don't know if they ready for this, kid.
Hey, I mean, they was ready for that view. If they were ready for the view, they got to be ready for this bathroom. Look at those hooks. Hold on.
Yeah,
Hold on. Look at those hooks for you to hang like your coat, belt, whatever you want to hang up here. Those are nice leather hooks. I love it.
That's the bathroom, y'all.
That's the bathroom. Nice. Look at that. Look at that mirror. Lots of light for if you want to do your makeup. Digital clock. Bluetooth speaker.
Bluetooth on.
Bluetooth on. I don't know what that is. We've got some soaps here. Hand soaps that are liquid soaps, not bar soaps. How we feel about bar soaps, Ray?
Brass fixtures.
Brass fixtures.
Plenty
Lots of towels.
Towels,
Yeah.
washcloths, and everything.
Looks like there's a
Hair dryer.
hair dryer down there. Tissue. The Gray told me we didn't have.
Really?
Look at this shower. This is a humongous shower, y'all. I just want y'all to see how big this shower is because this is really quite big for a hotel shower. Let me step back some so you get the full view. Look at how much space. And that's just what you can see from here. There's still a bunch of space back here too.
Oh. Oh my God! How dare you!
That's a glass door, sir.
Oh God.
So there's some different settings for the lights as well. You can, let's see, relax. Oh, it's like mood setting here. That's the relax mode. And work. We ain't working, so we're taking it back off of that. It just brightens it up and work mode. We also just realized that this is a handicap accessible room. We're not sure if all of the rooms do this, but the door actually opens automatically. What did you just hit one of the buttons over here? Yeah, okay. So that's one thing that's different about this hotel. The lobby is actually on the 11th floor. You know, most of the time you walk into a hotel, the lobby's on the first floor. As soon as you walk in, the lobby is on floor 11. So you have to take the elevator up to the lobby when you get here, and then you take a different set of elevators to go up to the rooms, which is kind of nice because it means people can't just come in, you know, off the street and have access to the room elevators and get to the rooms where customers are staying, like paying customers are staying.
Shout out to the front desk clerk. Man,
Oh yeah, she was awesome.
That lady, I mean,
She was super nice. Super, yes.
You know what? Can I see your ID?
I have to say the service so far has been absolutely excellent. I have talked to them multiple times.
Me
This
too.
was a surprise. If you watched the previous vlog, you know this is a surprise for Ray. I have talked to the people that work here so many times over the last 24 hours, just trying to make sure, you know, what can we do? How can we set it up to make it real nice for Ray? And they've been so sweet, so accommodating, so awesome.
All right, everyone, before closing out this vlog, we wanted to give you our quick review after staying at Tempo by Hilton, New York Times Square. The pros: the luxurious upscale decor, especially the stunning bathroom design, the unforgettable view of Times Square right from our comfort of our room. Prime location, just a walk away from the city attractions, including famous New York City theater district and a variety of top-notch restaurants. State-of-the-art technology for lighting and blinds, room entry, ensuring a comfortable stay. And last but not least, in our pros, the exceptional customer service, making you feel right at home.
Now, while there were plenty of pros, there were also a few cons. The room was very small. We would recommend this room only if you had 2 people or less. I think the small room size could be a concern for some guests. Also, it was missing a few standard items like a designated suitcase storage area and a closet door. Also, it wasn't very easily accessible by car. There's lots of traffic in Times Square area, which made our arrival and departure a bit frantic since we used rideshare to and from the airport. In conclusion, this hotel offers a luxurious and memorable stay with only a few minor drawbacks. Its unbeatable location, modern amenities, and top-notch service make it an excellent choice for your next visit to the Big Apple. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tour and review useful, please make sure you hit the like button, consider hitting that subscribe button, and even consider joining our channel membership to get access to exclusive content. Team Reese all day.